8:01 p.m.
Another grocery mania.
Epilogue.
Kung wala kay sala, nganong?
Nga naman sa man.
Di pencil, makay ka na ni. Di pencil.
1 hour later.
Ano kayo nga nun?
Sige, go. Uy!
Wala ko? Ayan.
Nga di ka. Nga naman ka. Defensive
Loy.
lagi ka. Defensive.
2,000 years later.
Kung wala kay sala, nganong? Di pencil man kay ka.
The next morning.
Sa dong. Unsa ba? Dali ah. Sige. Nasa nito po.
Magkano sa kong amigo?
And then-
Talaga na ako lagi.
That you know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay. Dili man ko gwapo, pero ako, suabe.
Oo eh.
Okay. Sakit kaya ako masing-kasing kay siya, Nivea.
Nakalang turang.
Ay,
Oh my god, look at that face. You look like
Okay. Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-boxing. First, sponge mo sa harapan. Tapos, i-apricot.
Okay.
Patrick,
What?
I thought of something funnier than 24.
Let me hear it.
Okay. Asa ka, Jay? Maulay na. Okay.
Sa may mong gibati dong.
That you know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hala, uy.
Because you're not that cute. You look dusty.
Okay.
Bintana ka dong. Bintana ka. Kasama ka.
Norko.
Okay. Di ba, no?
Ah,
Capital
go.
City. Kung sa'yo capital city sa Japan?
Naman.
Tokyo.
Ako lang kong ulo.
Nga naman.
Kuton, siguro ako.
Gikoton ka.